Maybe I'll just mess it up again. I want to say something, but I don't know how. I think I'm being considerate, so why does it always go wrong? Why did it work that one time? That beaver. What was her name again? She said some weird stuff. Somehow, it helped. I wonder if I talk to her again, maybe I'll understand something. Why am I doing this? Wandering through the woods to find a random beaver who talks like she swallowed a riddle book.
Ah, you again. I was just explaining tofu expiration dates to this tree.
What? Why?
Trees have strong opinions, especially about fermented soy.
Are you always like this?
Only when gravity lets me.
That's not how gravity works.
It is if you stop asking questions. Tea?
Tea. No thanks. I still haven't recovered from the frog last time.
Ah, yes. Forest-grade ceremonial amphibian. Very rare.
So, what is your name anyway?
Elaria.
Elaria. That sounds like a name brewed in a tea shop.
It is. Steeped with emotional clarity.
Wait. How do you know my name?
Castoria told me. Said your eyes were loud.
What does that even mean?
Probably nothing. Or everything. This time, the tea is frog-free. And it comes with emotional support shortbread. It's been blessed by a retired squirrel. He used to do taxes. Now he just forgives people.
I'm not sure if that makes it better or worse.
Better. Definitely better. Here you go.
Last time we talked, something shifted. I could talk to Willow. But now I'm stuck again. Same old me.
Then maybe look again.
Willow? What's happening?
Just a clear view. Now, what do you remember from last time?
You said something about frogs and hard ears? I don't know. It just made me feel calm.
Castoria used to say, sometimes
A single true word is enough to shift the wind.
You said that before. I still don't get it.
you're not here to get the wind. You're here for the question.
What question?
What is NVC?
NVC.
Nonviolent communication. Not being nice, being real, without blame.
Never heard of it.
No surprise. No one teaches it. Not in school, not even in bedtime stories. But it's a kind of magic. One you can learn.
Like a spell?
More like 4 simple steps. 1. Notice what's happening. 2. Feel what you feel. 3. Know what you need. 4. Ask for what would help.
That's oddly practical.
Even frogs can learn it.
You said I noticed something last time, What was it?
You weren't trying to fix anything. You just saw her. Not what you thought she meant. Just what was there.
Like a frog?
No, but yes.
I don't know if I can do all that.
You don't have to do all of it. Just start somewhere.
Okay, I'll try. One step at a time.
Good. And if you get lost, come back.
I probably will.
Most people do.
She's so strange. But I think I want to see her again. My brain feels like it's been through a dishwasher. In a good way.
Castoria used to say, emotions are like lasagna. Too hot on top, cold in the middle, but everyone keeps coming back for more. Well then, class, that concludes today's emotional adventure. If you missed the previous lesson, don't be shy, click right here. And if you're wondering what kind of trouble Rusty will get into next, subscribe, you won't want to miss it. Dismissed.